So we got the 84 Phazer back out here. We got it started yesterday and rode it a little bit. This is going to be clips going to be shown before we have the other start up. We're going to try to cold start it again today. You can see all the varnish gas that kind of leaked down the side. That's because our fuel pump is leaking pretty bad. Through the diaphragms are all dried out in the gaskets. So new fuel pump is on order. Hopefully it comes shortly. But we're going to see if it will fire up today. It doesn't seem to be hydrolocked. We'll see if she runs, and if there's some gas left in the tank, it leaked a lot out. That's why you can see it like leak down the side of the tunnel. So that's going to stain definitely nice and good on there. So we're going to have to wash that off and scrub it off.
With more gas.
But I think Sully's going to attempt to start it. Our choke cable setup is just manually pull it up right now because we don't want to buy the little choke handle. So that's what we're doing at this point, which works fine. This thing has like 140 psi compression when we tested it.
Yeah, definitely started good last time. Hopefully. Hopefully
we're going to try the exact same thing. We're going to have Sully get his gloves on, and then I'm going to pull the chokes, and we'll see what happens. That's what you got. All right. Because we don't have the airbox on right now, so we're not going to run it. We're not going to run it too hard. We don't want it to run lean and obviously go up. So.
She's chooching for sure.
Yeah.
Fucking believe it or not, boys.
Believe it or not, she runs. Slight fuel leakage out of the fuel pump diaphragm.
Yeah, he's like, we got a gas leak. I'm like, hopefully it's just the line. Nope, diaphragm just, gas just
coming out. So
is it all left here by the exhaust yet?
Oh Jesus.
Oh yeah, she's getting there.
Anyways, boys, we took these 2 jugs, these old milk jugs, went to the gas station.
2 gallons of gas.
These are approved
by the USDA.
The DOT approved containers. But anyways, guys, we're gonna fire the sled up for you in a second here. We just replaced 2 fuel lines going to the carb. We didn't fucking bother with the oil lines
or the crankcase pulse line, right?
Me and Sully just for some reason said, screw it. We're gonna run the same oil that was in the bottle 8 years ago. This thing's been sitting.
The viscosity's not terrible.
This thing's been sitting in a marina for like 8 years.
It's not quite molasses yet.
We got her up on a toolbox and an old Warrior seat in the back. I mean, this is the most.
With the snow flap, absolutely.
This is an absolute. Fucked setup, honestly, boys.
Storage unit, boys.
All right, we're gonna have him fire it back up and see if it'll start again. Oh, she's just loyal. Is she rev? It revs, boys. You got lights? You got tail light?
Yep, tail light.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Is it? The stuff coming out of there is not good.
Sounds like it's got a leak somewhere.
Might have a leak. Or there's a bearing out in the drive that's making a growly noise. There it is, boys. The old Phazer running. Yep.
Nice.
Speedo and tack work.
Next one's got 6 feet, 6 2.
Not bad for a day's work, boys. So here it is, the old Phazer. Yeah. I'll get it with a flathead screwdriver, the center one.
This one, right?
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, my bad.
Oh god, you must turn to that.
She's stuck?
Definitely.
Hold on, let it idle.